Thousands of homes all across Indy are about to get free smoke detectors today.
Yeah, this is all part of the Sound the Alarm Blitz from the American Red Cross. And Carlos is live this morning, and these smoke alarms buy families precious minutes to get out and get safe during a fire.
Right. Yeah, Julie, you make a great point. Home fires alarm safety is no joke. In fact, get this, 7 people die every day in our country as a result of home fires. And get this, you only have about 2 minutes or less to get out of your home if it is on fire. That's why the Indiana chapter of the American Red Cross is installing these new smoke detectors in homes all over Indiana. You can see them right there, and they're the newer models with a 10-year battery life, much better than those old 9-volt smoke detectors.
That thing starts beeping in your kitchen, you're likely to take that battery out, put it down on the counter. Those firemen then find a burnt up smoke alarm on the counter when your house is on fire. So we use 10-year lithium-ion battery alarms, and you'd be surprised at the number of people who think they have working smoke alarms who don't, and that includes probably a lot in your viewing area. This is not an issue where some neighborhoods versus others. Everyone has this issue. It's something for all of us to pay good attention to.
Now, the Red Cross's goal is for volunteers to install 100,000 free smoke alarms nationwide, helping to make homes safer in more than 100 high-risk communities across the country. Every person on Sunrise is going to be out here later today installing smoke alarms in this West Side neighborhood that I'm standing in right now. And that includes you too, Ben and Julia. You guys are going to be out here. We're all going to be having a good time. Not only installing the smoke alarms, but letting people know about the stats that I just talked about. Guys?
It is important, Carlos. Thanks so much.